Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, another step is to make sure you have a stable internet connection, because internet connection can play a major role in the sounds and video quality. Want to check internet connection? Go to settings, then select Messenger and make sure you've given Messenger permissions to use microphone and camera. Then go back and make a call, and if you still aren't having the sound problem, maybe consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app on your phone. And guys, that's it. That's how you fix Messenger video call sound problem. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.